Hi, Dad.
Hingal na ako, no?
Kaya to ni Che.
Kami.
Amay. Para na. Yayapin ko na ng baby.
Can't go up anymore, James.
Ano kaya ni James yan, no? Eh, yung swallow clip, sabi mo, 6, 8, kaya niya eh. Oh.
Ito iba to eh.
Nakakalahati rin tayo, ha?
Just a little bit more.
Then, malapit na tayo sa puno. Ayan, oh. Tingnan mo yung puno na yan, oh.
Saksak mo muna ito, mami.
Then, kita mo yung dalawa.
We're the Olympians.
Konti na lang. Okay, Dad?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for you. I can go straight up.
Huwag mong biglain, bay. Kaya ulit tayo, Che.
Stay there muna.
Parang tulog na tulog ako mamaya.
To go to the beach. Yeah.
That's it.
Hindi na kasama.
Hi,
Hi.
Put it to chips. Ayaw Sam?
We'll bring everyone here.
Oh, meron pa siyang Ritz.
Here, please.
You know, it's mom's bag. This is full of cookies. Akala ko ano yung dala mo? Puro cookies pala.
Eh, pagkain nyo.
No, it's Mona's food. Yeah, Mona. Yeah, stay here. Yeah. Skyflex. Skyflex lang si Mona.
Siraan mo na.
At least ano.
Wow, Dad.
You know when you go someplace, you go to the plan. You just go.
I know, impromptu. It's better.
Ha?
You did it, Dad. You did it.
May score na. Ayun.
You say hi, everyone.
Hello.
Wala na po si...
We're at the sunset.
Ayan, yan. Nasinta nyo na lang.
The light is lining up.